Hi friends, it's me again. If you don't know who I am, I'm Alicia and this channel talks all about skin. I'm basically a skin influencer and I review skincare products. If you're new, kindly subscribe, and everyone should please like this video, leave a comment and share to other people, and remember to buy all your hair and eyelashes with us at www.sharegorgeous.co.uk. Without further ado, let's go straight into today's review. Yesterday I talked about the soap for this body milk, so I thought today I would touch on this particular one. So again, I have been using this alongside its soap since December last year. So it's been roughly 3 months, 4 months I've been using this. So the review is all about this product. As you can see, this is the bottle the product comes in. Really beautiful. It's a really good quality. It feels like a glass, but if you drop it, I don't think it will break, but don't drop it. Don't drop it anyway. Very beautiful orange color. It's got gold inscriptions, black inscriptions on it, and it's got white writings on it too. It's got a holographic logo here. Hopefully my camera is capturing it properly. The first time you get this bottle, the pump is kind of locked, so it wouldn't literally pump like you can see right now. I believe you need to literally turn it and then it starts working, and you can literally pump the product out of the bottle. So yeah, this is how the packaging looks. Really nice, really good. I'm going to pop a video of how the box itself looks since I disposed it, but yeah, that is basically how it looks. Again and again, MAKARI always delivers in its packaging. No complaints at all. Really good packaging. I'm happy. Hopefully you guys will love it too once you get it, or if you bought it already, I'm sure you are loving how it looks. Just like its soap, this body milk can be used by all skin types, but again, I have to caution, if you have a sensitive skin, please do not use at all. But if you chose to use it, that is your own decision, but I will strongly say do not use it. MAKARI does have products suitable for sensitive skin, so have a chat with them. All their contact details are on their website so that they can recommend something to you. So yeah, that's the first benefit, that it can be used by all skin types except sensitive skin. This body milk can get you a shade or two lighter. It also makes your skin glow, it makes it radiate, and it makes your skin look healthy and luminous. Another benefit I thought I'll let you guys know, but that is based on reviews. People have said that it helped to lighten their dark areas or like their dark spots and marks. Well, I didn't see that in my case, and that's because I didn't really pay attention to that side, because I do have products that helps to lighten those areas of my skin. But yeah, there's been tons and tons of reviews out there, it can achieve that, so watch out for that. I thought that is also a good benefit you guys should know. In case you are wanting to target such problems on your skin, it may be able to tackle that as well. So basically that's the benefit you get with this product. First key ingredient I spotted here is mulberry root extract, which by now you guys should know it's a brightening agent. So that is what helps to lighten or brighten your skin and And again, it's one of the ingredients I've noticed consistently in most of MAKARI products that lighten the skin. The next is glycerin, which can be seen in a lot of skincare products, not just MAKARI. And for this particular ingredient, it helps to soften and smoothen the skin. It can strengthen the skin barrier based on the formulation, and it also helps to increase the appearance of your skin looking youthful. It has also got the ingredient propylene glycol, which serves as a humectant and a conditioner to the skin. It also helps to hydrate the skin. And for the carrot oil, it helps to smoothen the skin and provide antioxidant protection. The first thing I will recommend is please just use it 3 times in a week. Nothing more, nothing less. And the reason is because it actually can damage your skin if you use it excessively. I have a dear friend of mine who had to send in pictures of how damaged her skin was, and the first thing I asked her was, were you using the product every day? Which she emphatically said yes, and I was like, oh no, that is the reason. So please heed to instructions. Instructions are for your own good. Use it for just 3 times in a week. That's all that you need to help your skin glow and look its best. And do not mix it with any other products, just use it on its own. The next recommendation is to use it with other products within the Argan and Carrot collection. I always do recommend this because that's the best way you can get fastest results. Obviously, a collection or a line of products is made to help tackle the skin or help to improve the skin in its entirety. So if you get the whole collection, you are best having the fastest results you want compared to using just one product out of the collection. So if you can't, which I'll put somewhere here, buy the whole collection. I know it's quite pricey because this particular bottle alone is currently selling on the MAKARI website for $100.99. So yeah, it is pricey. Yeah, so I can understand if you cannot buy it, but if you can, please go for it. The next thing I'd recommend is to use the body milk with its glycerin. I don't know if it's called glycerin within this particular collection, but I'll pop it somewhere here so you guys can see. But make sure you buy that one if you can. You use that first right after a shower, and then you go over with the body milk, and then that way you know your skin will thank you because you're going to get the best of results. So yeah, that is the next recommendation I would give all of you guys. Please guys, be attentive here. Do not use this product for more than 3 to 4 months consecutively. And the reason is because when it comes to skin lightening products, at some point your skin needs a breather. Your skin needs that time. It doesn't have to go through any skin lightening process at all. Once in a while, let your skin breathe from all these skin lightening products. And during that time, you can use products like this one, which is called the MAKARI Violet Cups. I hope I got the pronunciation right. Now with this particular one, it's not a skin lightening product, so it's great to use it during times you are not skin lightening. Other products I would recommend, or brands I recommend, is Simple, CeraVe, and Cetaphil. These 3 are really good. They are non-skin lightening products. You can also use Palmer's cocoa butter. That is also a good one to use during times you're not skin lightening. But please make sure every 3 to 4 months you give yourself a 1-month break from skin lightening. Hey there, I do apologize for interrupting. Please remember to subscribe and turn on the post notification just so you don't miss future uploads. Thanks for doing that. Keep watching. When using this product, make sure you use it on a clean skin. A clean skin means ideally have a shower, take your bath before you use it. So yeah, that's the first way to use it effectively. And the next thing is to stick to using it just 3 times in a week. That's all you need, 3 times in a week. Please do not underuse it by applying it less than 3 days in a week. You might not see the result you want. And please do not use it more than 3 days, because you will be overusing it and might cause problems for your skin, and you do not want that. So stick to the instructions, which is using it just 3 times in a week. Also bear in mind it's just for the body. Do not use on your face, do not apply it on your neck. It's just shoulder down, because it's just too strong for your face and your neck. To avoid the temptation of applying it on your face, make sure you buy the face cream with it. I'll pop it somewhere here, but yeah, please don't use it on your face so you don't damage your face or your neck. And when it comes to applying to areas which are darker, like your inner thighs, or in my case my legs, you want to apply more of the product on those areas so you're sure you get a better and fuller coverage. Something I personally do is, for this particular product, I apply it just at night, because I believe that at night, obviously my skin is not being battered by the bad weather, the harsh atmosphere, all that. I didn't see MAKARI emphasize if it can be used morning and evening or night. Correct me if I'm wrong, guys, but I didn't see that on their website. But because they've said 3 days in a week, so you can go ahead and use it morning and evening. But I personally just use it once in a day, which is just at night. But yeah, leave your comments below if you have any suggestions concerning this particular point I have raised. That is all for this review. I think it was simple yet straightforward one, and I hope this review helps someone. In a nutshell, it's a good product, but again, if you're not using it just 3 times in a week, then it will cause problems for you. Thank you so much for watching today's review. Let's meet in my next upload. Goodbye.